This is the Fitbit Inspire 3, a fitness tracker that promises 10 days of battery, full-color display, and health tracking that won't kill your wallet. But after wearing it for weeks, I discovered there are things Fitbit didn't put in the ads. Is this the perfect entry-level tracker? Or the one that leaves you wishing for more? Stick around, because I've got thoughts. Fitbit Inspire 3 Product Overview. Okay, let's set the stage. The Inspire 3 is made by Fitbit, now under Google, announced in August 2022, released in the US around September 2022. It sits squarely in the entry-level fitness tracker category. Price at launch was $99.95. Who's this for? If you're someone who wants reliable, basic fitness and health tracking, step, heart rate, sleep stuff, doesn't need full GPS built in, and hates charging gear all the time, this could be your match. Its key selling points are the upgraded display for an Inspire, long battery life, and better health metrics. Let's see how well it delivers. Fitbit Inspire 3 Performance. Okay, here's how it actually feels using the Inspire 3 in day-to-day life. First up, responsiveness. Fitbit finally moved the Inspire line from monochrome to full-color AMOLED. That means reading notifications, navigating through workout modes, checking stats is much more pleasant, clearer and more vivid, especially in sunlight. It's still a small screen, so big walls of text scroll, but for quick glances, it works well. Battery. Fitbit climbs up to 10 days with regular usage, no always-on display. I pushed it. Workouts daily, sleep tracking, notifications, etc. It lasted more than a week easily. When I turned on always-on mode, that drops noticeably, more like 4 to 5 days depending on how much you use it. Features and tech. Okay, let's look at what makes the Inspire 3 stand out and why those features matter. AMOLED color display and always-on option. The color screen is a big upgrade from previous Inspires. It means you can actually see your stats without squinting. The always-on mode is nice if you want to avoid flicking your wrist constantly, though it's a trade-off. Battery takes a hit. SpO₂, skin temperature variation, health metrics dashboard. Inspire 3 adds blood oxygen sensing, SpO₂, skin temperature variation tracking, etc. These give better wellness insights. For example, seeing if you're recovering well or noticing changes that might hint at illness or stress. It's not medical grade, but for wellness monitoring, it's a strong plus. Sleep tracking and sleep score. Fitbit has long been praised for its sleep tracking. The Inspire 3 keeps that up. You get light, deep, REM, and awake time, plus a sleep score. I found its sleep detection quite good. Falling asleep versus tossing already distinguished better than many trackers I've tried in this price bracket. Design and build. Design-wise, Fitbit has polished it nicely. It's thin, lightweight, and the rounded pebble-shaped tracker feels less bulky than many watches. The case is plastic, lightweight, the screen glass is decent, the bands are interchangeable, silicone, classic options, even little clips. Comfort is excellent, especially for sleeping. You hardly notice it. A bit less premium than, say, metal smartwatches, but for what it is, a fitness tracker under $100, it feels well built. One downside, with sweaty workouts or outdoors, the touchscreen can get slightly less responsive, maybe due to its size and sensor limitations. Battery life. We already touched on battery, but here's a breakdown. Fitbit claims up to 10 days of use without always-on display, and you can expect that sort of range under moderate use. Turn on always-on, do daily workouts, get notifications, etc. Battery drops, something like 4 to 5 days, is more realistic then. Charging from near empty to full takes about 1.5 to 2 hours. For someone who hates daily charging, this is still very good, especially compared to smartwatches. Pros. Huge step up in display. Colorful, readable, even in sunlight. Long battery life, about a week in real usage for a tracker this small. Solid health and sleep metrics with SpO₂ and skin temperature makes this more than just steps. Cons. No built-in GPS, so you'll need your phone for accurate route or pace. Screen is small. Notifications, texts can feel cramped. Final verdict. Okay, so what's the bottom line? For most people, the Fitbit Inspire 3 offers excellent value. It's ideal if you want strong basics, step counting, sleep tracking, health insights, notifications, and you hate charging daily. If you're someone whose fitness goals are more casual, walking, light exercise, wellness tracking, then this is probably the sweet spot. But if you're training seriously, running, trail work, long outdoor GPS use, or you want high-fidelity sensors and advanced metrics, you might be better off stepping up to something with built-in GPS, like